The engine oil drain bolt is located on the side of the stator case. Remove it and the sealing washer. The transmission oil drain bolt is located behind the shift lever. If your bike has an engine guard, remove that before removing the oil filter bolts. Be sure to note the location of the two different bolts. Using excessive force in removing the oil filter cover will create damage. Be sure to remove the oil filter spring and check your oil filter for any kind of filings or debris. Reinstall the engine oil drain bolt with the new sealing washer and torque to 16 Newton meters. Be especially careful when installing the transmission drain bolt. Torque to 16 Newton meters with the new sealing washer. Replace the oil filter cap O-ring. Locate the spring and the new oil filter as shown. Now reinstall the cover bolts. These bolts are easily stripped, so do not torque over 10 Newton meters. Using approved motorcycle engine oil, fill the engine up to the high mark on the sight glass. Reinstall the filler cap, start your bike, and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes. Stop the engine, let it sit for 2 minutes, and readjust the level. Be sure to clean your filler cap and install a new O-ring. For the transmission, first remove the oil level check bolt. Remove the transmission filler cap and use only approved wet clutch compatible motorcycle transmission oil. Slowly add oil until it comes out the check hole. Reinstall the check bolt with a new sealing washer and torque to 10 Newton meters. Again, be sure to clean the filler cap and install a new O-ring.